Wix Ascend tutorial, how to use Wix Ascend. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get started with Wix Ascend. So let's get started. Now, you might be wondering what is a Ascend plan and what is Wix Ascend? Well, Wix Ascend is basically a all-in-one business solution that allows you to interact with your customers or with your clients or even with your future employees. So what this basically enables you to do is that you can create different forms and contact information on your basic Wix website. So to get started with Wix Ascend, what you're going to do is I'm just going to take any of my sites. So I'm just going to take this site over here. This is one of the Wix websites that I have created. And on your left bottom, you have the Ascend business tools. Now, on your Ascend business tools, you have different tools. And if you can't find the Ascend business tools, you can just click on add over here. And once you click on add, you can just scroll down and go into the forms section. So just take a look at the different forms that are available. So you're just going to click on contact and forms. And if you can't find the Ascend tools, just go into add, go into contact and forms, and then pick out any one of these forms to get started with Wix Ascend. So let's say that I want to add this simple contact information form. So what Wix Ascend will basically allow you to do is that you will be allowed to add more fields onto your forms. You will be allowed to add a lot more customization to your form. So you can see I have this basic form, and if I click on upgrade Ascend business tools, then I can integrate more premium tools onto this basic kind of contact form. So let's say I'm just going to delete this, and I'm going to show you guys from scratch how it differentiates. So I'm just going to select this and I'm going to delete it. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Ascend business tools, and then you can see you have different categories of business tools. So it goes anywhere from marketing and SEO, customer management, finances, analytics, and reports. And then you have your simple section on how to get started with Ascend, which we are covering right now. So first off, you have a very simple form is the customer management one, which is how to create basic forms, chat boxes, inboxes, contact lists, members, workflows, tasks, and reminders. So for that, let's say I want to create a form. I'm just going to click on forms, and then this will lead me to the contact form site. And if I go back onto my Ascend tools, and let's say I want to create a contact list, then what this will open up is the Wix website dashboard. This is going to be my website manager dashboard. And this is going to allow me to see all of the emails or all of the people that have signed up onto my form. And these are all the contacts that I have collected via Wix's tools. So what the premium version of Ascend allows you is you can create more information and more data fields. So if I was to go into the contact and form, and let's say I want to add a come to our event. So I'm just going to add this form over here. And let's say I want to create like a job field. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rename this into job application. And obviously, if this is a job application, I will need more information. So I'm going to click on add new field. And then you can see there are quite a few tools that I can add, but then you have these basic fields, then you had advanced fields as well. So these like signature field and upload file fields, these are only available on premium versions, but these basic fields that you will need for most situations are available on the free version of the Ascend tools available by Wix. So let's say I want to add more, and then you have a limited field. So when you're using the free version of Wix Ascend, you have a limited number of fields available to you. Like you can't add like 15 or 16 different types of fields or information. You will have to add like a set amount of information into your basic job application or whatever kind of form you have. Then you're going to have to limit the amount of questions that you're asking, because this is only a feature available for the premium version of Wix. Now, other than the basic contact information and all that, if you go into your Ascend tools and you go into marketing and SEO, you can click on go to marketing home, and this will open up the Wix website manager, which you can also access by going into your my site section, and then you can just click on select site, and then this will also lead you to the website editor. But this opens up directly the marketing and SEO home, where you can upgrade your plan to have more premium features. But on the free version, you have features like Facebook ad tracking and email marketing, and you also have a scheduled marketing activity calendar that you can create, and you can also set up automated emails with simple integrations like MailChimp or Wix Forms or other email marketing integrations. Now, if we were to take a quick look at the pricing plans of Wix Ascend, now Wix Ascend starts at free, so this is the pre-installed version that we were just taking a look at right now. This just has limited amount of fields available, so you can see, take a look at the detailed information over here as well, where you only get get 5 lifetime forms that you can create, and you have the maximum number of fields set to 10. But on any of the paid versions, you have unlimited fields that you can create. And then in terms of automations, you only have 2 on the free version, and actions per automations are only 1 on the free version. And then you have the chat, which is not available on the free version, and you only have 3 social posts that you can monitor with async tools on the free version as well. You can see you don't get a lot of VIP customer care or async branding removal, but on any of the paid version, you have a async branding removal. So any of the Wix branding is going to be removed if you upgrade to the premium versions of Wix. So they start at $10 per month at the basic version, where you have unlimited form fields and you have different payment forms. You can also send a maximum email of 9,500, and you have 5 number of campaigns that you can run every month, and you also get 7 automations with 2 active actions per automation as well. Then you have the professional version, which is recommended by Wix and is one of their most popular versions. It starts at $24 per month, and you get 50,000 emails and 20 number of campaigns you can run. And I find it to be a great value for money if you're really going to be using your marketing and SEO integrations with the Wix Ascend tools. And then you have the unlimited version, where you basically get unlimited of everything. So even with their actions per automation, they have 10 actions per automation, which are usually going to suffice you. And they have over 1 million emails that you can send every month. So you don't have to worry anything about that. Plus, you also have campaign scheduling and campaign URL with custom domains on the unlimited version, starting at $49 per month of the Wix Ascend package. So overall, the Wix Ascend tools are amazing. You can do a lot with them. You can manage your finances, you can create invoices, you have financial integrations. You can click on over here to integrate different finance managers onto your Wix website. And if you're running a e-commerce store, or if you're running anything that is going to be a large-scale business specifically, if your Wix website is not just like a simple online presence, but you're running your business or your e-commerce store, then Wix Ascend tools are definitely a must-have, because they are really going to give you the maximum amount of benefit for the money that they are charging. With a free Wix website that you are going to design, it's going to be a very simple integration, and your overall website experience will be pretty seamless. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to use the Wix Ascend tools. If you have any questions regarding Wix or Wix Ascend tools, leave them in the comment box down below. And if there was anything confusing about the Wix Ascend tools, just take a look at our other videos regarding Wix Ascend as well. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment box. I will make sure to answer them as soon as possible. And there are some tips that you need to keep in mind before you leave. Make sure you have Wix Ascend installed. And the second thing you need to make sure is that whenever you create a form on Wix, you go back into your website manager. So just go into your Wix My Site section. And then with any of the Wix Ascend tools, I don't recommend using them on top of the Wix website editor. Go into your My Site section, click on Select Site over here. And once you click on Select Site, go into the tools over here. So you have your marketing and SEO, you have your analytics and reports. So manage the Ascend tools from over here instead of just opening them up over the website editor. That is something you need to do, because opening them over the website editor can be a bit inconvenient and confusing for most people. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.